Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy XCover 5 and let me share with you how to view total screen time on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to almost the very bottom because here we've got the Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. Let's enter it. And here let's tap on Digital Wellbeing. And as you can see, here we've got actually the very first graph, which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. So I've been using it for almost 2 hours. What's more, here you've got the most usage, let's say, the most used apps, and you've got particular time you've spent on the app. So for example, the Call of Duty was played for 40 minutes. I've been using the settings for 21 minutes, and so on and so on. After tapping on it, you can also check more. So here you've got the weekly graph. You can check. Obviously here I do not have anything because it's a new phone, so as you can see, you will be able to check that. You will be able to also set the goal, so you will be able to limit actually your device and the usage. What's more, you can show more apps with and how long you've been using them. What's more, you've got the notifications received, as you can see, and they are counted here also. What's more, they are also divided into, it will show particular notifications from particular apps. What's more, you've got also unlock timer. Let's say under it you've got your goals, so it means that you can set the screen time and app timers. So here, for example, you can decide for how long you want to use particular app. Here you've got also ways to disconnect. You've got the focus mode, so you've got me time, work time, and you can add your own. It means that if you need the time without the disturbance, then you can enter it, for example, work time. Let's tap on start, and here you will be able to pick the apps which only be used, as you can see. So you can only use these apps which are here, so you will be able to use phone, messages, and settings. No, let's say Facebook, Messenger, and so on and so on. So you can of course edit it. Here you've got the duration, so you can turn it on or off manually. You will be able to set it for 1 hour. That's a really cool option. What's more, you've got the bedtime mode, so this is the same. After tapping on those graphs, you can see that you will receive the weekly report at the end of the week. So actually this is it. This is how to check the total screen time in your Samsung Galaxy XCover 5. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.